Introduction to HTML. What is HTML? Hypertext Markup Language, or HTML, is the standard markup language for HTML documents, designed to be displayed in a web browser. It can be assisted by technologies such as CSS and scripting language such as JavaScript. HTML is the skeleton of just about any website. It provides the bone that underpins everything else on site. Common things that HTML is used to define are paragraphs, line break, inline elements, block elements, form elements. Why HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for the web. HTML is free, popular, simple to learn, and easy to understand. HTML is lightweight and can be easily integrated with multiple languages. For example, HTML can easily contain CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. HTML is supported by almost all browsers around the globe. HTML has a go-to docs where you can look up things for deeper understanding. HTML is basic of all languages. To become a front-end or back-end developer, one must have knowledge of HTML, as it is the basic language for the web. HTML page structure. Thanks for watching this video. Send your questions and subscribe for more lessons like this.